Hey folks, Jeff here at the new Janky Workshop. Got another truck mod video for you guys today. My last video with the truck mod, I showed you where I made the forged metal pieces for my molly racks in the back of my truck. Today, I'm going to make a toolbox. I have a roof rack up on the top of the car, and this fits in there perfectly. This is a aluminum aftermarket, or very thin steel aftermarket military style gas can, jerry can. I have a real one, which I actually use for gas, but I wanted something brand new so there wouldn't be fumes or anything. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take this, I'm going to chop it off here with an angle grinder all the way around. This is going to become my lid. I'm going to throw some hinges on it, some latches, and a lock, as well as put spots for bolts in the bottom so I can bolt it to the bottom of the rack. So, let's go. Alright, what I first want to do is draw out where my cut line is going to be. I'm going to keep it even with this corner right here. And let me grab I'm doing a black Sharpie. Thin black Sharpie. There we go. Actually, I'll use this one. Okay, got my T-square. Line it up to the foot in there. I'm going to go to the top of that weld. This is edge trim black small, 10 foot. Thank you for the detailed explanation. Make sure this goes on well. It does.
Janky! Nom, 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 nom. Oh, nom, 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 nom.
Since I last left you guys on this, I've done a couple modifications. Not just this fancy lock. You can see I actually went around with some 1/8 inch, what do you call this stuff? 1/8 inch stuff. I went around and I filled in some gaps, so it really tightens this thing up and actually makes it kind of waterproof. And one other thing I've added, I riveted a bottle opener to it because you can never be without a bottle opener. So this will always have a bottle opener and always be facing out. What I need to do today to finish this up is after I empty this thing, I got axe, duct tape, flare gun, cutters, hammers, screwdrivers, all sorts of stuff. Socket bits, miscellaneous socket bits, shall I say, because I have another socket set in the car. What I need to do I also epoxied a little light to the top so I can see inside the case if it's dark out. My wife thought of that one. She actually thought of having like a flashlight coming through here, but ended up settling with just like a little puck light right in there, and then I can take the batteries off and replace them if I want. Good to go. So what I need to do, after I get that miscellaneous piece of metal out of there, I need to punch 2 holes in the bottom of this so that I can mount it to the truck. So that's what we're going to do today. To do that, I'm going to need a drill. I have a black rubber grommet assortment kit so that I can put some grommets around the holes that I drill. I have these 2 things which are drying right now with a layer of paint on them, which I need to let them re-dry because they're not dry yet, but they've got some Rust-Oleum on them, some high performance enamel so that they don't rust, and I also have 2 toggle bolts here that are at a 1/4 inch, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this through the bottom, have this on the inside, it's going to go through the grommet, and it's going to have a lock washer on there, and so I can put a wrench underneath, and then I can just spin the toggle as I need to actually get at this and take it off and on the truck as I need to. So let's work on that. Let me tighten that down with a ratchet strap. So there you have it. There's my jerry can toolbox. Hopefully this gave you an idea for a project that you can do, some modification for your vehicle or something that you're looking to do. Let me know what you think, and if it inspired you to make something, leave a comment down in the comments below. Click like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that stuff. And I hope you're enjoying this project. So thank you, and till the next time.